Mr. Deputy Speaker, sir, I rise to support the budget proposals. The budget is framed in such a manner that I think it is the duty of everybody in this house to support it. One thing on which I feel inclined to congratulate the finance minister is that all proposals in this budget have got a specific purpose, an economic purpose, with a view to the development of this country and acceleration of economic growth in this country. The finance minister has not submitted it, if I may say so, any temptations to inflict penalties and burdens without an eye on the measure in which the proposals may benefit either the exchequer on the one hand and the measure in which it may or may not impede the economic growth on the other hand. There are 5 purposes which I could understand from the proposals of the budget. One is rationalization of tax structure on the basis of principles spelled out by the Vanchu Commission, namely that if the rates of taxation are such as will leave a margin for the taxpayer to serve as an incentive for hard work and for the revelation of his income, then a larger revenue on an overall basis can be collected. In this house, on many an occasion, we discussed this proposal of Vanchu Commission, and the mood of the house and the mood of the government at that time was to reject those proposals on the ground that on previous occasions when it was tried, it was found that the taxpayer did not become honest merely by the reason of the reduction in the tax amount. I for one am happy that the government have found their way to appreciate the rationale behind the proposals made by the Vanchu Commission. The rates now proposed are more or less on the levels suggested by the Vanchu Commission. If they come down by about 10% or more, the rates would be the same as proposed by the Commission. The Minister has said that this reduction has been made as an experimental measure in order to see how the taxpayer reacts, and if the taxpayer reacts honestly, and if the overall revenue position is not affected by the reduction in the rates, this line may perhaps be pursued. It should be pursued. I mean